Hi guys, welcome back to Maga Family channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this flower arrangement. This is my centerpiece for the engagement, and what I use vase, and I put wet oasis inside. So what I'm gonna start with is a greenery. So I'm gonna build the volume of a greenery base, and then I have one hydrangea, 9 stems of roses, and 2 stems of the spray roses. So let's start. It's very simple actually to do. There's no rules how to do flowers. There's rules how to care for flowers. All the stems I cut on an angle. That way it absorbs more water. And the hydrangea needs lots of water. So if by any chance when you put hydrangea in an oasis, it's died, you can pull it out and watch my video right here how to revive the hydrangea if in any case it's died. So let's start. So I'm done with the greenery for now. I'm gonna start with the hydrangea. I'll put it in the middle. Then I have 3 white roses. Then I'll go with 3 pink roses, light pink. And we'll go with 3 coral, orange, red. It's more like a peach color, I would say. And one longer one on this side. Like I said, there's no rules how you do your flower arrangements. Just use your imagination. And now we have spray roses. So we go with 1 stem here. I think I need to put this lower. A little bit bright pink. I'll put on this side. Yep. Now I'm gonna look around and see where I need to put more greenery, so I can cover all that base, so it looks more fuller. Another flower arrangement that I'm gonna do is gonna be pretty much the same, but I'm not gonna do it in a vase. I'm gonna do it in this tray. It's a tray just because this arrangement is gonna stay on a table, on the edge of the table, and the flowers are gonna hang out off the table. So I'm gonna start exactly the same as I did other centerpieces. I'll just fill it up, and then when I get to the place where I'm gonna, on what table I'm gonna arrange, I'm gonna put it on the edge, and I'm gonna add more of the greenery that will hang off the edge of the table. And the last arrangement is gonna go on the fireplace. So it's oasis foam inside of the plastic cage, and it's gonna be also hanging out of the fireplace. Same idea, I'll fill it up with greenery and then the flowers. And that's it, I'm back home after my client's house. I'm done for today. I did my 4 arrangements for the table and 1 for the frame that you see. Here, the final look. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and we'll see you next video. Bye.